nailed in so I can screw them in. Make sense? Yeah. Construction. Ah! Gotta be careful out here in these streets. I think I did it right. Yay! Ha! On the job site. A lot of work. Here we go. Oh yeah.
That's the ticket, is to keep your power right there. Your power is in between the, so that it don't do the brrr like you just heard, and try to keep it square in there. Yep, and then apply the.
So what I want you to do is always keep your power right here. See, when you're teaching people, you gotta put your power right here. That's how you do it, Tony.
You gotta keep the screw going. You don't done. Just keep.
Just gotta keep it going.
Right, there you go.
Okay. He don't know how to preserve battery. You know, do like that. Just say the battery. Training employees is hard, you know. Whew.
Hello everyone, it is me, Darciea Houston. I am the Dallas ISD agriculturist vendor with you all, and I'm so excited to provide a testimony regarding today. The garden setup at OW Holmes is very, very dear to my heart. It is the most monumental project that I've been on, not because of my passion, because my passion is going to be everywhere. I'm always about that life. You know, I'm ready to connect people holistically. But this was the campus, hands down, that I've ever worked with in my whole career, that everyone was on board, showed up and showed out. And what I mean by that is, not that the gardens come in and everybody's excited. It was so much more than that. This was true, genuine engagement. I touched every science teacher with enthusiasm, and they had questions, and I had questions for them, and we were trying to figure out how we're gonna make it work. Coaches, the police and the security staff, the front desk, the people that were at the area where you sign in, there was no one that did not know what was happening on the campus regarding that garden. And you don't understand, if that doesn't move you, you don't understand how difficult it is to get masses of people engaged. So this was something that they wanted. This is something that they're appreciative for. I know they'll take care of it. It is in the center of their courtyard. It just magnifies the greatness that they already have going on and their direct understanding and intent to grow with their community. They already have all these ideas they want to do. I'm just going to fill in and support whatever the curriculum is. For math, I got you. We can measure. We can do many different things. With the art teacher, there's so much. But I was so impressed, even down to the fact that they thought about us having access to facilities, to sanitation, to power, access to water. It was so warm and welcoming. OW Homes, if my kids were not already grown, I would so try to figure out how to get my kids in your school. I'm very impressed. I'm so excited to come back and to work with the staff. Even the faculty and staff was so amazing. You have staff regarding community outreach and things, but the faculty was, and buildings and grounds. This is an amazing place to be. And if you're ever looking for that school, that middle school, OW Holmes is it. All right, a little about me. I am very passionate about earth, about farming, about permaculture particularly. I am a Paul Quinn graduate. I also partook in an exchange student program called Duke Immerse, and that allowed me to participate with Duke University, the Nicholas School of Environment, regarding ecological restoration, social injustice, environmental racism, community planning, and outreach. And that yielded so many more opportunities. Especially for me to go to Cuba and study permaculture. And I'm still in this particular program with Soil and Souls. But a lot of this had its segue as a result of being a Paul Quinn College graduate, working on the We Over Me farm, and participating with Senator Royce West, Emmett J. Conrad Leadership Program. And that allowed me to intern with Texas A&M, their Better Living Texans under Miss Annie, their FNEP, Expanded Food and Nutrition Program under Miss Miller, and their county office, I was under Miss Lexi there. But all in all, I had all of this exposure and training as a result of going to Paul Quinn College, being a part of the Conrad Leadership Program, in addition to the Soil and Souls. After that journey, who picked me up and carried me along with them is DHK Wellness Strategies. And that is how I was able to get into community gardening more so to the extent now that I'm working with schools. I'm so appreciative. The first school that I was able to start at was Lincoln High School, and I work directly with Paula Lewis, that is the culinary professor there, and they have a culinary garden. So that's how that, works out for me. Just in case you wanted to know the path that I had to take to get where it is I'm going, because I'm not at a destination yet. I love education, I love teaching, but I love whole families, and I want to teach whole families how to do the most simplistic, sustainable things that will also create family dynamics and culture. Big ups to DHK Wellness Strategies. Give me some.